Here today we discuss the next topic, geometric progression. It means GP. Consider a series या progression 5, 10, 20, 40 and so on. In this case we observe that 10 upon 5 equals to 20 upon 10 equals to 40 upon 20. All is 2. Here 2, here 2, here 2. Means ratio of next term minus next term upon previous term equals to same. Means in every cases. So these types of series known as GP. Means a progression A1, A2 of A3 dash a GP if an plus 1 divided by an equals to, suppose r is a constant. Here n belongs to capital N. Here r is known as common ratio. It is equals to r. Means every term की बात करें, previous term upon next term upon previous term becomes constant. Means हर केस में अगर इस टाइप की आती है so it is a GP. इस केस में सपोज अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं यहीं पर फर्स्ट टर्म nth term of an GP of a GP. nth term मीन्स कैसा डिसाइड होता होगा nth term, जैसा AP का होता है इसमें कैसा होता होगा. Here suppose first term, suppose A and common ratio equals to R. So in this case चेक कर रहे हैं अपन. Here first term A 1, it is equals to suppose 5 हमने जो लिया था, it is equals to A. Second term A2 जो यूज कर रहे हैं, it is a 10. It means 5 into 2, it means A into R. Similarly A3 third term, it is equals to 20. So 5 into 2 square means 5A and 2 square becomes R, means AR square. So similarly AN term means nth term. Here it is a nth term, means in this case first term means A into R power 0, second term AR power 1, third term AR power 2 means 1 less, so AR power n minus 1. So here nth term of GP equals to AN equals to L, लास्ट टर्म भी हो सकता है बाद में इसी चीज को, AR पावर n minus 1, where A is a first term, R is a common ratio. Ratio means एक बात कर रहे हैं अपन नेक्स्ट टर्म अपॉन प्रीवियस टर्म. अपॉन मीन्स ये रेशियो है सब, जितने भी R मीन्स क्या है, ये कॉमन रेशियो. तो इस रूप में अपन nth टर्म को अपन कैसे इंडिकेट करेंगे, ये इस टाइप से an equals to AR power n minus 1. Take a question. Find the 20th term and nth term of GP this. इस टाइप से. Here given 5/2, 5/4, 5/8 and so on. Here first term 5/2 and second term is 5/4. So r means common ratio, r equals to next term upon previous term, means second upon first. So it is equals to 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. So it is equals to 1 by 2. Means here r equals to 1 by 2 and a already given, a equals to 5 by 2. So first case 20th term and nth term. Firstly find nth term. T A N A. Nth term of GP a r power n minus 1. So here a means a r power n minus 1. Putting the value of a and r, a means 5 by 2 and r means 1 by 2 whole power n minus 1. So it is equals to 5 upon 2 into 2 power n minus 1. So here 1. So it is equals to 5 upon 2 power n. 2 power n. It is a nth term. Then 20th term. 20th term. So a20 इक्वल्स टू, सपोज अगर इस डायरेक्ट इस फार्मूले में भी रखकर निकाल सकते हैं और डायरेक्ट फार्मूला यूज करके 5 बाई 2 पावर 20 और सपोज अगर यूज करते हैं अपन a20 इक्वल्स टू a r पावर 20 माइनस 1 मीन्स हियर a 5 by 2 into r means 1 by 2 power 19. So it is equals to 5 upon 2 into 2 power 19. So it is becomes 5 power upon 2 power 20. मीन्स इस केस में तो ये था कि nth टर्म फाइंड करो, ये मिल रहा, देन अपन 20th टर्म की, या फिर डायरेक्ट अगर 20th टर्म की बात होती तो डायरेक्ट फार्मूला में a और r की वैल्यू पुट करते और ये सॉल्व हो जाता है कि इस टाइप से ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होता है. Next question. Which term of the GP root 3, 3, 3 root 3 is 729? Means here, which term is 729? ये consider. Here given GP is root 3, 3, 3 root 3. So first term a equals to root 3 and r means second term upon first term, means next term upon previous term. It is a common ratio. So here 3 upon root 3, it means also written as 3 in root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. This one cancels, so it is equals to root 3. Means r is also root 3. Let nth term is 729. हमने ऐसा सपोज कर लिया कि 729 इज nth term, means a n equals to 729. So here a n means a r power n minus 1 equals to 729. नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स चेक करना है कितने कौन से नंबर पे होगा. So a equals to root 3 and r also root 3 whole power n minus 1 divided by 729. So here root 3 power n minus 1 plus 1, both ये कई टाइप का, ये 1 हो जाएगा ऐसा. So it is equals to 729. So root 3 power 1 cancel, n equals to 729 and root means half, power half, 3 power 1 by 2 power n equals to 729. Means next step 3 power n by 2, 3 power n by 2 equals to 3 power, sorry, 729 means 3 power 6. 729 equals to ऑल्सो रिटन एज 3 पावर 6। अगर आप इसके फैक्टर्स फाइंड करें तो 3 पावर 6 बिकम्स क्या होता है 729। तो कंपेयरिंग द एक्सपोनेंट बोथ साइड, कंपेयरिंग द पावर both side, so it is equals to n by 2 equals to 6, so n equals to 12, so 12th term is 729, means n की वैल्यू क्या होगी यहाँ पर 12। 12th term is n equals to 12 जब यूज करेंगे तो इट इज 729। Next question from 9.3, question number 3rd. If the 5th, 8th and 11th term of a GP are P, Q, S, means 5th term it is equals to P, 5th term, then 8th term equals to Q and 11th term equals to S. Then so that Q square equals to PS. Q square equals to PS. Here, 5th term means A5 equals to AR power 5 minus 1 equals to P. So AR power 4 equals to P. Suppose it is a first equation. A8 equals to AR power 8 minus 1 equals to Q. So AR power 7 equals to Q. And A11 equals to AR power 11 minus 1 equals to S. So AR power 10 equals to S. AR power 10 equals to S. मीन्स इस टाइप के केसेस 5th टर्म P हो गया, 8th टर्म Q हो गया एंड 11th टर्म मीन्स AR पावर 11 minus 1, 11 term it is a S. Then prove that Q square equals to PS. Suppose take RHS. RHS equals to P into S, means P means first, from first P means AR power 4 into S means last one AR power 10. So it is equals to A square into R power 4 plus 10 means 14. It is also written as AR power 7 whole square. वर्क कर सकते 2 की पावर है. So AR power 7 is a Q. So Q square. So it is a LHS. Means Q square equals to PS. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन नंबर ये कौन सा था 3rd, हम इसी टाइप से सॉल्व करते हैं.